When it's your moment in the spotlight, the original Mane & Tails Shine On is an exclusive formula designed to provide instant high-gloss shine that lasts, with further benefits that repel dust and provides long-lasting prevention of coat stains. The benefits of Shine On are easy to see. It offers instant, long-lasting, high-gloss shine that repels dust. Long-lasting protection from coat staining helps maintain tangle-free manes and tails, conditions the coat leaving a natural feel, saves grooming time, can be used dry or wet. Gentle, water-based, fragrance-free, pH-balanced formula, available in 32-ounce and 16-ounce sizes. As a finishing grooming step, the original Mane & Tails Shine On is an exclusively designed formula that provides a high-gloss polish that lasts. Get your horse's show ring perfect to attract the judge's attention and put you in the ribbons.
Hello, I'm PJ Crowley. My wife Tara and I own and operate Kendallwood Farm, which is a full-service training and rehabilitation facility for riding and driving horses. Shine On from Mane & Tail gives us a variety of benefits to our grooming routine. We want our horses to feel good, calm, and well-rested to encourage them to lay down the night before a show. After their bath, we spray Shine On so bedding does not stick to their freshly cleaned coats and tails. It helps repel any sawdust or dirt collected overnight. Plus, it keeps their coats, manes, and tails shiny and show ready for the next day's events.